Hello and welcome. Dubai is a city of endless luxury, innovation, and beauty. From towering skyscrapers to tranquil beaches, it offers some of the most breathtaking sights in the world. Today, we're diving into the top 10 most beautiful areas and places in Dubai that will leave you in awe. Whether you're planning to visit or just want to explore from the comfort of your home, let's take a tour through some of Dubai's most stunning spots. Number 1, Burj Khalifa and downtown Dubai. We begin our journey with the iconic Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. Standing at 828 meters, this architectural marvel is the centerpiece of downtown Dubai. The views from its observation decks are unparalleled, offering panoramic views of the entire city. The area surrounding the Burj Khalifa, known as downtown Dubai, is a modern masterpiece filled with luxury hotels, shopping malls, and the stunning Dubai Fountain, which hosts a spectacular water and light show every evening. Number 2, Palm Jumeirah. Next, we head to the Palm Jumeirah. This man-made island, shaped like a palm tree, is one of Dubai's most famous landmarks. The island is home to some of the city's most luxurious resorts, including the Atlantis Hotel. The views of the palm-shaped island from above are a sight to behold, and it's no surprise that this place is often dubbed the eighth wonder of the world. Number 3, Dubai Marina. Dubai Marina is a stunning waterfront district with modern skyscrapers lining the canals. The area is home to many fine dining restaurants, trendy cafes, and luxurious yachts. As the sun sets, the marina comes to life, with the lights reflecting off the water and creating a magical atmosphere. The Dubai Marina Walk, a promenade filled with shops and restaurants, is one of the best places to relax and take in the breathtaking views. Number 4, Jumeirah Beach and the Burj Al Arab. One of the most beautiful beaches in the world is Jumeirah Beach, offering clear blue waters and soft white sand. This stunning beach provides a picturesque view of the Burj Al Arab, the iconic seven-star hotel often referred to as the Sale of Dubai. The sight of this luxurious hotel against the backdrop of the vast Arabian Gulf is truly a sight to behold. Number 5, Al Fahidi Historical Neighborhood. For those who want to experience the traditional charm of Dubai, the Al Fahidi Historical Neighborhood, also known as Al Bastakia, is a must-visit. Located in the heart of Old Dubai, this area features preserved wind tower houses, narrow lanes, and art galleries. It's a glimpse into Dubai's rich history before the skyscrapers and opulence of the modern city took over. Number 6, Dubai Creek. Dubai Creek is another part of the city that mixes old and new. The creek has been a lifeblood of Dubai for centuries, and it remains one of the most picturesque spots in the city. You can take a traditional Abra ride across the creek, enjoy the views of the old souks on one side, and the modern skyline on the other. The creek is also home to the stunning Dubai Creek Tower, which is expected to be taller than the Burj Khalifa upon completion. Number 7, the Dubai Desert Conservation Reserve. For a unique natural experience, head to the Dubai Desert Conservation Reserve. Located just outside the city, this vast desert is home to indigenous wildlife and offers visitors a chance to experience the tranquility and beauty of the desert. Riding a camel, enjoying a traditional desert dinner, or simply watching the stunning sunset over the dunes can provide a perfect contrast to the urban landscape of Dubai. Number 8, Dubai Opera District. The Dubai Opera District is another gem, combining world-class cultural experiences with stunning architectural design. The Dubai Opera building itself is an architectural wonder, designed to resemble a traditional dhow boat. It is home to a variety of performances ranging from opera to ballet, concerts, and theater. The district is also home to beautiful promenades, restaurants, and galleries that give it a sophisticated and cultural vibe. Number 9, Dubai Miracle Garden. No visit to Dubai would be complete without stopping by the Dubai Miracle Garden. This 72,000 square meter garden is the world's largest flower garden and is a testament to Dubai's commitment to beauty and innovation. With over 150 million flowers arranged in colorful displays, including floral designs in the shapes of animals, hearts, and even iconic landmarks, it's a true wonder of nature in the middle of the desert. Number 10, Dubai Hills Estate. Finally, we end our tour with Dubai Hills Estate, an upscale residential community with stunning views of the city's skyline and lush green parks. The area is built around the Dubai Hills Golf Course, and it's a great spot for outdoor activities. With its sprawling greenery and luxurious villas, Dubai Hills Estate is one of the most beautiful places in the city for those looking for a peaceful retreat. And there you have it, the top 10 most beautiful places in Dubai. From the sparkling towers of downtown to the serene beauty of the desert, each corner of this city offers something unique and awe-inspiring. Dubai truly is a city of contrasts, blending the old and the new, the natural and the artificial, to create a place unlike any other. So, whether you're visiting for business or pleasure, be sure to explore all the incredible sights Dubai has to offer. Thank you for joining me on this tour, and I hope you're inspired to discover the beauty of Dubai for yourself.